Recently we were fortunate enough to work on a film with the Migrant Rights Centre, and especially with a youth group within the Migrant Rights Centre called YPP, Young, Paperless and Powerful. We are brought in to workshop with YPP, the youth group here at the MRCI, to create a film that was sincere to the group's experiences being undocumented in Ireland. Everything you see in the film is 100% true. It has happened to the members of YPP, and it is happening still on a daily basis to undocumented people all across Ireland. Change needs to happen. You know, this is a big issue. There's thousands and thousands of undocumented children and young people in Ireland right now, and it's not right. It's not fair, it's not just, and that is exactly the issue. These people are undocumented, and for that reason they feel that, you know, if they're the victim of a crime, you know, they can't turn to the authorities for fear of, you know, being deported, and you know, that's just not right. These people, a lot of them are born here, a lot of them aren't, but that doesn't matter, because they're as Irish as you or me. They're embedded and integrated into our communities and our society, and you know, they're doing their very best to build a future here. Their friends are here, they've gone to school here, but they're going to need a lot of people's help to get to where they want to be and where they deserve to be. These young people's their future has been impeded. You know, their opportunities for doing what they want to do and becoming their best selves is you know, is being seriously blocked. And I suppose as a whole, you know, that's going to damage and impact Ireland as a country, because these young people aren't going to be able to contribute what they could and what they want to. Working with this particular group of young people has impacted me, and I know for sure my co-director Stephen as well. These kids and young people, they could just lie down and accept defeat for all the walls that are being put up around them, but they don't. They fight. They're fighting for their own futures and for the futures of other undocumented kids and young people. And I mean, how could that not be inspirational, and how could that not impact you?